Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is loaded tomato soup. It is almost like chili, but it's more soupy than like stew. Like chili is more to stew, thickened soup. So yeah, but this is delicious, and check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So we're gonna use 2 carrots and 10 baby potatoes. We're just gonna cube them or slice them like so, and add 1 celery stalk and just slice them as well. Around 800 grams of ground beef, now dice or slice 1 medium size of onion and 8 garlic. Now add in our sliced garlic and chili. Lots of steam. And stir it for a minute or 2. Then we're gonna add in our veggies. After a minute or 2 stirring the veggies, add in 2 tomato soup, also water. Now we're gonna add 1 heaping teaspoon cumin and 1 heaping teaspoon of sweet paprika. And celery salt to taste as well. Freshly cracked black pepper and about 1 heaping teaspoon of barbecue sauce. I'm using this one, no sugar added, hickory flavored barbecue sauce. I added more cumin because I like strong flavor of cumin. Now we're gonna bring this to boil and cook until potato and carrots tender, and then we're gonna add 1 can of fava beans. You can use black beans, red kidney beans, whichever beans you like. I have fava beans today, so I'm gonna use that. Once boiling, add in your fava beans or any beans you like, and then continue boiling until potatoes and carrots are tender. Adjust the flavor to your liking. You can serve it as is, with toast, with crackers, or even with rice and pasta.